What's up, guys? Turbo Warrior here, and today I'm really late on BALKESH's unboxing, but I just got back from Walmart. I got this at Target, but whatever. I'm gonna be unboxing BALKESH. Let's get into it. Rip. Oh, stats. No one cares about them. Yeet. There's the ripcord, don't need it. There's the rules, don't need them. There's this. Oh yeah, and there's this, don't need it either. Just get a top arc BALKESH out. And BALKESH has hidden blades. It's like the blades are hidden there. And then the blades are out there. Here's BALKESH. The code if you guys want it. Sorry it keeps fading from dark to light. I have a lighting. BALKESH. Atomic. It's like a pretty good driver. My first atomic. And we got 2 bump. I'm pretty sure it's a bump frame. No, I'm not sure. And I'm gonna get something to help me with my light. So that there. Okay, hold on, guys. Should turn on the flash. Whatever. I'm gonna grab something. I'll be right back. Admire for now. I'm back, guys. Don't worry. Got a little flashlight. Oh, okay, that should. Now, how am I gonna get this? How am I gonna get this to stay? Again, here's a better view of the code now that I got a light. Here you go. How am I gonna get this to stay? Now I need something to prop it up. Okay. Sorry, I'm taking half a million. Oh, I got something. I got something, guys. Don't you worry. There you go, guys. Better light. Don't need to worry now. And again, I didn't say this before, but BALKESH is a left spin. So yeah, and again, code. Sorry it took so long to get the flashlight, but oh god, the slopes feel terrible. I wonder if this thing can spin still. And there are my dogs barking. So we're gonna be battling Call of the Valkyrie. Check out the unboxing if you haven't. Perfect Phoenix. Haven't seen the Dead Phoenix unboxing, again, go check it out. And Vice Leopard, go check out that battle too. So there's BALKESH. Let's just battle Advanced Leopard first. Why not? I mean, hey, whatever. Each one go shoot. There's BALKESH. Ooh, looks good. Each one go shoot. Leopard. I feel like it can spin still. Yeah, it spins still. Let's spin still. Look at that. Would you look at that? My voice cracks really terribly. Oh, it's spin stealing, but it's not doing as good a job as I thought it'd be doing. Oh, look at the leopard in the way. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can. Look at that. Leopard looks so cool in the light when it spins like that. And BALKESH won with a spin finish. No damage either. Wow. Okay. I'm going to hand spin BALKESH. And here's Leopard. Can BALKESH spin steal? That's the question. Oh, there it is. There it is. A spin steal. And look at it. Look at it. Speeding up. Speeding up. Let's go, BALKESH. I was off of a hand spin too, so if this wins, I'm gonna be surprised. The thing is, I wonder how it's gonna do against any other left spin. Oh my goodness, BALKESH won. Okay. Now we're going Cosmo and BALKESH. What's that BALKESH? BALKESH is slopes, though. And his slopes are scaring me slightly. His slopes are, they're okay, I guess, for me. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh god, there goes Cosmo. Cosmo has to bully me right now in the middle of a video that it 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There we go, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that spin steal. Look at that, look at that. Don't know what it has that it will spin steal other than left spin, but like I think spin steal's so cool. If you guys think spin steal's amazing, comment in the comments below. That was a tie. Hand spin BALKESH, because whatever. Ah! Okay, that was bad, Valkyrie. Valkyrie's not that bad, honestly. Valkyrie's honestly my favorite bay. Oh my goodness, BALKESH is just eating the spin right there, though. This is my first half for left spin. I'm surprised that it is, too. And BALKESH tied it. Good job, BALKESH. You're tying it up. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I put it at half damage, so I want to see where this goes. With the extra defense wing blades out. And BALKESH won it. Valkyrie just, a GT just lost to a evolution layer. That's kind of sad, honestly. But this Valkyrie isn't bad. I'm not saying it's terrible. It's actually a good bay. That was me. I bursted it on accident. Dude, it reversed clicks. How? Dude, this thing reversed clicks somehow. I'm getting it back to half. Okay, you know what? No, I'm gonna have it full. Now, these two both have atomic. Purple atomic versus red atomic. Here's BALKESH. Here's BALKESH. Go shoot. Three, 2, 1, go shoot. I think BALKESH should win this. Okay, that was a terrible launch. Okay, it's 1-0 Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And BALKESH is a left spin defense type too. Forgot to tell you guys. You probably know that already. And if you're wondering, can BALKESH spin steal? The answer is yes. As seen by me. Okay. Phoenix 1-2-0. BALKESH can spin steal though. Okay, I'm gonna try spinning BALKESH. Okay, but I haven't. Well, never mind. I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say. Cause then y'all are gonna roast me. Why? Why? I'm trying to spin it right, but it won't work. Don't say that it's a left spin bay. I know it's a left spin bay, guys. Why? BALKESH just doesn't want to be right. He wants to be wrong, I guess. But yeah, I don't like BALKESH as a right spin. Yeah, I'm very tired, guys. So, I don't have as much energy. I'm tired. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There's BALKESH. Go shoot. Phoenix! That's enough of a launcher. Both off launchers. Oh yeah, go for the launcher. Scan it if you want it. Pause the video here. And then resume the video, obviously. No commons. Again, it's a stamina battle. How did Phoenix just win that? Guys, you know if Treptune has the bump frame? I think it does. If it does, I'll be happy. Alright, BALKESH. And the ice card. Okay, I'm gonna launch these two. And then this will be the last match. First of 3. There's BALKESH. There's Leopard, and there goes Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There's Leopard. BALKESH getting knocked around by the turbo layer there. Turtle. Oh wow, looks like BALKESH is actually spin stealing enough to come back. I won't be surprised if it doesn't come back though. It got knocked around a lot. And BALKESH won it. Okay, 1-0. I want to see this thing, honestly, I want to see this thing burst. Like, if you guys think bursts are awesome though, like... 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, Leopard's running around and BALKESH is just there. And now BALKESH is... I wonder how this is going to do against the Luminors. I'm scared now. I gotta get this thing to burst so I can train it. Don't y'all roast me. If y'all roast me, I won't be mad. No, I won't be mad. I won't be mad, trust me. But still, don't roast me. Okay, BALKESH won. 2-0. This bay is overpowered. I battled this thing in a tournament with my strongest bay. I don't know what frame it had or what driver it had, but holy heck. Like, holy cow, this thing was overpowered in the tournament. I don't even know if it was a Tech or a Tommy or not, but whatever it was strong. Should I try and win a tournament with this thing? I don't think I should. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, Leopard. Leopard getting aggressive here. Leopards will be getting aggressive. This is probably the final match if BALKESH wins it. I should say when BALKESH wins it. And BALKESH won it, like I said, when BALKESH wins it. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to leave a like. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I launched that upside down.